wanted to play Division I soccer. But once I got here, my eyes were really open to everything that UNCA offers its students. The research scholarship was a massive one, and that just having that opportunity to conduct graduate level research as an undergrad has been second to none. Cancer, it's when DNA within a cell becomes mutated enough that it starts to experience aberrant signaling. My hypothesis is that when G-alpha-12 and G-alpha-13 are overexpressed, which is what you see in several cancer types, that increases the expression of this protein calreticulin. I was designing an experiment to determine if the two proteins we study localized to a part of the cell known as the mitochondria. When I conducted the experiment, I found that when I artificially increased these proteins A and B, the levels of calreticulin also increased. And that was a really exciting finding because there's no published relationship between these proteins in the literature. So what exactly is going on here? Chalk it up to unfortunate timing. I got these results the Friday before spring break last spring. It was frustrating, but ultimately, COVID-19 was bigger than my research. And so I'm left with these exciting findings that I want to run with, and there was nothing I could do about it. I couldn't pursue it in lab. I tried to view it as an opportunity to progress my research in some other avenue. And so I ended up just spending hours and hours just pouring through the literature. The way I thought about it is I had found data that would suggest A equals C. But there was nothing that in the literature that would suggest that. So I had to look for something that would suggest A equals B, and then something that suggests B equals C. I ultimately found that B I was looking for. Every kid growing up that plays a sport tells you they want to win the ultimate goal, the ultimate award in their sport. As a young soccer player, I'd say I wanted to lift the World Cup with the US. As a researcher, you could say, I want to cure a certain disease. I want to cure cancer. I want to find the cure for Alzheimer's. I'm not naive to the fact that that's going to be a monumental task, and I'm not conceited enough to say that I'm going to be the person that does it. I'd like to think I might be able to contribute to that. If I'm able to contribute to something that even betters the life of a single person, I think my career as a researcher would be successful.